So the living area at Walker Farm is definitely one of my favourite spaces, and I know you guys have loved it as well, and it's partially because you've watched and loved this fireplace behind me being built. The stonemasons worked tirelessly to build this stunning piece, which is essentially basalt from the site, and it's wrapped around the interior and the exterior to create this beautiful solid mass that actually grounds the whole space. Of course, it houses our gorgeous Kemlen fireplace from Jetmaster, which will really in the winter just heat this whole room. Of course, you've got these massive vaulted ceilings, so it really is a difficult space to heat, and this guy's really going to pack a punch. When we were pulling this space together, obviously the big hero in this home is the view and these expanses of glass looking out at the view. So really when we were thinking about this space, we wanted to make sure, of course, that it was set up for conversation and for socialising and coming together and gathering, but also that everything really took in that view. So you can see that we've got the main couch facing out to the pool area and the view. We've got some beautiful comfy chairs which wrap around, and we've got, of course, the favourite reading chair, which is this beautiful piece from Vamped Vintage. It's a gorgeous Falcon chair and really is a standout piece and definitely the owner's favourite thing to sit in. We also, of course, have quite a big room on our hands, so we had to really ground the space with a beautiful rug, and we've chosen this gorgeous Amara rug from Cadry's. It's absolutely stunning. It's a vintage piece and it just makes the space. Of course, there's a few heroes in this room, and this one has to be another one. This is the Lee Brennan coffee table, and it was custom made for this space and actually had to be carried in on site by about 4 guys. It's ridiculously heavy. It came in pieces and got assembled here on site. One of the other things that happened when we were going through the build, we hadn't planned for any lighting above. And when we saw the space, we realised just the vastness of the ceiling was going to, I guess, make the room not feel quite as cosy and inviting as we had intended. So we actually started looking for a feature light. And after lots of hunting, we found this beauty from Emack & Lawton. And it's a big wrought iron piece that really just makes the space. We've of course layered the whole space with lots of beautiful textures, which is really what this home is all about, just repeating all those textural elements. So we've got some gorgeous vintage rugs that have been turned into cushions from Cadry's, and these are really, really special and unique. And I think they pair really, really well with the gorgeous artwork. This was a piece that the owner had. He'd bought it from Piermark Gallery in Paddington, and it's a beautiful Aboriginal artwork.